Hello there. What are we doing today? We are doing Top 1000 Cheese episode 6. Now, we have done the first 5 episodes, meaning we have done the first 500, no, the first 100 cheeses. And what we are doing today, we are, well, we are sorting them. I will zoom in so we can sort them. So, what will I do? I will say we will I do not know, we will make new list, so we will sort these in order, so we can say which one will be better, which one will be worse. We do not know yet, but we will know by the end of the video. Okay, it does not seem to be loading, so what I will do, I will just do this one. Okay, so what are we starting with? We have 10 here. We'll copy 990 and we put it in new list over here. Top 1000 cheese 6. We will have them new list, and we will have the top 990 will be 10. So we put it at the top. Okay, and we will mark it as done. So we will put E next to it. Okay, I do not know why, but we will do E. Same thing with 926. We put it below because it's lower number, or actually no, we put it as a higher number. So yeah, you could like that. Now we have to go to 9. What will be the score with a 9? Now we can see 9 to 9 will have 9 out of 10. We will put this after. So as you can see, we have a list of 3 cheeses. Okay, that is the list so far. So that is what we are sorting. You can see what we are doing. Okay, what are we doing next? We are having to find another 9. If there is no 9, we go to 8. Okay, so what will we do? Where will it be? It will not. Okay, there will be a 9 here. We will put that at the list. Okay, so then what happens next? And now number 12, it will also be 7. It is up here, and we will put E here to show that we have done it. And then we will say, okay, what is this one? It will be like this. Okay, that is basically it. I will now go to sort them all out of the video. Okay, you understand what I mean, so it will not be like on the record, but I will put it like I will show the list later. Okay, so it is quite long, so you know what I mean. Okay guys, so what are we doing? We are back. Okay, so I have ranked all the cheese as you can see. So what we have, the full list, what were the best ones? It was 9 to 6, the top 10 best ones, 9 to 6, 9 9. Okay, wait, no, I will do it in different order. I will do it from this. So 10th was 961, 9th was 945, 8th was 943, 7th was 921, 6th was 962, 5th was 940, 4th was 987, 3 was 929, 2 was 990, and so far the best cheese is 926. We will see the best cheese. What would 926? So 926 would be roughly here. Cheese 926. What was this one? This one will be very good. Of course, 990 got the same score. We will see that later. But I can say pretty base cheese. Brick of cheese. You know what I mean. So what will we have? We will have 990. We will go get 990. This one 991. I don't care. This one got 0. This one, what is 990? We will see. Brick of cheese. As you can see, I gave this also 10 out of 10. So we have two. The best cheese is both bricks of cheese. So obviously, this quite interesting. We can see many score are in like the lower one, and that is expected because this is the lower end of the cheese ranking. But I will show you the distribution of the scores in a minute. But look at them right now. Look, there are loads of zeros. In fact, as you will see later, that is the model class of these. You know what I mean? So what will it be? Like, you got loads of zeros, loads of ones, loads of twos, loads of threes, loads of fours. Not many like sevens, not many eights. Like only like two eights, two nines, two tens. But as I will show you now, distribution of the scores. You know what I mean? This is what it looks like. You can see here. I will show it like more like this. You can see 0, the model class, the most scores with 0. Now I can say this is kind of expected because it is the lower end of the rankings for the cheeses. But as you can see, still quite a lot in the middle. I do not know what that is about, but clearly quite, it's somewhat accurate. You can see hints of accuracy here, but not necessarily, because as you can see, there is like 15. There are like 15 scores that got like 4. So you know what I mean. It's kind of sussy if you ask me. So only like only 4 more got a 0 than got a 4. So we need to critique whoever made who was the person he made. Think it was like the West mashups person, or whoever actually made it, I do not know. But as you can see, it is, it's going well so far, like somewhat well, better than I would have expected. Because what I would assume, this person is probably not taking the time to look through all the cheeses and actually rank them. Because obviously you got like, the reason is, well, there are like 19 zeros is because a lot of them aren't even cheese. A lot of them are like sticks, lots of them are like trees, like some of them are literally just restaurants. Like, what is this, man? So obviously, I think this person just searched cheese on the internet and got all the first 1000 images, put them into video. So I think that might be what happened. But I am taking this seriously because I care about the cheese. So that is why I am doing this, because I genuinely care about the cheese. Okay, I am man of the very epic. you know I am I am. I will do this for the cheese, for the glory of the cheese. I will continue to do this. I will continue to make the top 1000 cheese, and I will continue to rank them so you know the best cheese. And I will say, if you get more trees, I give them score of 0. I put them in the lower category because they are not cheese. You cannot even eat a 3. So I do not know why this will be in a top 1000 cheese. So what will it be? I will say, so far, not very many very good cheese, but I will say the future there will be lots of good cheese, because you say, look, buttery cheese is, because you go up the cheese, to go up the rankings, you get more of the best cheese. Hopefully, over time, as we go through all the different rankings, we go to next 100, which will be 900 to 981, 809, 801. We will see a slight shift to, what is it, like, shift to the right. So we will see a shift towards more the center here, and we will see like what the what like maybe like the 2 or 3, one, maybe like score of 1 will be the most. Maybe, I don't know. No, I do not know. Maybe it will be like more kind of similar, but it will be like a bit more shifted to higher score. So you know what I mean. It is quite waste. I have to say I am quite proud of our achievement so far. You know, we got 6 episodes, and I have to also say I am sorry this one is late because normally they come out around 4 or 5 p.m. on a Friday. But you know what happened? I forgot to record. So you know what happens? I have to record now, and it will probably be out at like 9 p.m. So unfortunately, it will be like 5 hours late. So I am apologize for that. But you know what I mean. We have to take this seriously. This is the cheese. This is not a joking matter. This is important. We must rank the cheese so we know the best cheese. Okay, you understand what I mean now. Okay, very good. What you need to do, you need to subscribe to the channel because that is how I will be able to make a top 1000 cheese all the rankings. Okay, you understand. You need to subscribe. What else you need to do? You need to like the video. You also need to comment on the video saying very epic video or whatever. I do not care. But also, what you need to do, you need to do the notification. You need to press a button next to the channel. It will say notification bell. Okay, you need to click that button, and you need to also what you need to do. You need to share the video because that way we can show the best cheese for real. We can show what is the objective proof for what is the best cheese. Okay, because this is very important. This very scientific thing. We need to rank the cheese. This is something that needs to be done because we cannot have bad cheese anymore. We need to have the best cheese. We need to stop eating the trees, apparently, according to this ranking, because the cheese is the most important thing in the world. You don't know. Forget all the other stuff. Cheese is the most important thing. Therefore, we must rank it. Okay? You better bloody subscribe, yeah?
Hello there, I don't care. You eat pear and shave hair. I'm dying, you're dying, we're dying, everyone's dying. Stop crying, subscribe please, and like please, and hit the bell please, and don't kill cheese.